Welcome to Adaptivids in the vast landscape of cybersecurity. One of the most essential tools in an organization's defense arsenal is the firewall, acting as a digital barrier between a private internal network and the outside world. Firewalls serve as the first line of defense against unauthorized access, malicious attacks, and potential security breaches. Understanding how firewalls function, the various types available, and their importance in modern computing is crucial for safeguarding sensitive data and ensuring the integrity of digital infrastructure. How firewalls work. Firewalls operate by inspecting and controlling the flow of network traffic based on predefined rules and security policies. This inspection can occur at different layers of the network stack, including the packet, session, or application layers. Essentially, firewalls analyze incoming and outgoing data packets, determining whether they meet specified criteria for permitted traffic or should be blocked to mitigate potential risks. By filtering traffic based on parameters such as source and destination IP addresses, port numbers, and protocol types, firewalls effectively manage access to network resources and safeguard against unauthorized intrusions. Types of firewalls. There are several types of firewalls, each with its own unique characteristics and deployment scenarios. Number 1. Packet filtering firewalls. These firewalls examine individual data packets and make filtering decisions based on predefined rules, such as source and destination IP addresses, port numbers, and protocol types. Number 2. Stateful inspection firewalls. Stateful inspection firewalls maintain state information about active network connections, allowing them to make more informed filtering decisions by considering the context of each packet within the broader session. Number 3. Proxy firewalls. Proxy firewalls act as intermediaries between internal and external networks, handling network requests on behalf of clients and servers. They provide an additional layer of security by effectively hiding internal network details from external entities. Number 4. Next-generation firewalls. Next-generation firewalls integrate traditional firewall functionalities with advanced security features, such as intrusion prevention systems, application awareness, and deep packet inspection, offering enhanced protection against sophisticated cyber threats. Importance of firewalls. The importance of firewalls in modern computing cannot be overstated. Here are some key reasons why firewalls are indispensable in today's cybersecurity landscape. Number 1. Protection against unauthorized access. Firewalls prevent unauthorized users and malicious actors from gaining access to sensitive data and resources within private networks. Number 2. Defense against malicious attacks. By filtering and blocking suspicious network traffic, firewalls help defend against various forms of cyber attacks, including malware infections, denial of service attacks, and intrusion attempts. Number 3. Compliance with regulatory requirements. Many industry regulations and data protection standards mandate the use of firewalls as part of a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy, ensuring compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. Number 4. Safeguarding confidentiality and privacy. Firewalls help maintain the confidentiality and privacy of sensitive information by controlling access to network resources and preventing unauthorized data transmissions. Number 5. Enhanced network performance. By efficiently managing network traffic and reducing the risk of security incidents, firewalls contribute to improved network performance and reliability. Firewalls play a critical role in safeguarding computer networks, protecting against cyber threats, and ensuring the security and integrity of digital assets. Understanding how firewalls work, the different types available, and their importance in maintaining a robust cybersecurity posture is essential for organizations seeking to mitigate risks and safeguard sensitive information in an increasingly interconnected world.